Hi, I'm Brandy. This is Hound Dog Hollow, and today I'm going to be unboxing my Wishes Bounty box for April 2020. This box was gifted to me from the people at the Witch's Moon. The opinions are my own. Thank you very much. Let's see what's inside because it smells really good. Okay. Ooh, beautiful. The Cosmic Compass. So we'll put this aside. I'll save this. She's beautiful. Look at her. Lovely. Alright, we got a big white. It's bigger than average. I mean, tall-wise. White candle. Smells very good. We've got a stretchy, this is like a stretchy, feels kind of like velvety cord. They're of reasonable size. I mean, not big enough for my tubby neck, but they're good size for the average person. And also I think I could probably do something like this. It might be pretty nice if I felt like getting creative. So let me see here. I'm going to put it back into its container. That. And let's see. Ooh, here's the incense. Is this what smells delicious? Can you open the window or turn on a fan? I'm so hot. Sorry. A little backstage chat for you. Here's a little beautiful little satin bags. I save all these bags. Oh, sorry. Look at this. Pretty. I wish I could do it justice. It's really pretty clear. Very cool. Okay. And then we've got, it looks like an oil here. Ooh, that feels nice. Okay. Let's see what we got here. Ooh. It's Divine Direction Magical Anointing Oil. So look at that. Look at all this wonderful goodies floating in there. I like that. Ooh, it smells really good. I like that. Alright, and then last but not least, I have not peeked on the off chance I would get this box. I'm so excited to see what's inside. Oh, wow. Beautiful. Wow. Very nice. This is so cool. And this middle part moves, look. Awesome. This is so cool. Let me see what it says. I'm going to put this right here. In a world where confusion and uncertainty swirls through our emotions, we are wise enough to rely upon the certain and pure magical tools that are known for their protective and guiding qualities. It is vital that we continually work to set time aside for working with higher vibrations, relieving ourselves from weathered perspectives, and allowing our spirit to walk upon fields of divine essence. While working within ethereal realms, we are able to communicate with guides that may provide a more opportune dimension in which we can pull wisdom from, incorporating these teachings into the pressing realities of our world. In this very exciting collection, we work with one of the purest stones of them all, the Herkimer Diamond. Join us as we walk the guided path upon the cosmos during the time of much-needed perspective magic. So a floating Herkimer Diamond within a 9.925 silver compass pendant. Wow. This extremely powerful piece was created specifically for the subscriber of the Witch's Bounty. Found near Herkimer, New York, the Herkimer Diamond is often referred to as a diamond due to the level of hardness and gloss it carries compared to other clear quartz. Holding a hardness of, oh, sorry, let's not fall out of there. holding a hardness of 7.5. As stated by Robert Simmons, these crystals, beyond almost all others, are manifestations of pure solidified light. They emanate a high, harmonious energy that positively sings on the upper levels of the quartz spectrum. Due to these qualities, the Herkimer Diamond is a wonderful stone to use during astral travel or communicating with guides, such as angels or higher cosmic energies, as stated within The Compass of Cosmic Consciousness by A. Alden, which is this. A stone of navigation, Herkimer Diamond amplifies the exploration of higher vibrations, purifying the energy field and harmonizing with the white light of the divine essence. Herkimer Diamonds aid in the communion. I could be saying that completely wrong, and I'm so sorry. Herkimer Diamonds aid in the communion with the higher self, transcendent guides, and ethereal realms. These wonderful stones are a useful tool when working to expand your comprehension of reality. Although there may be times where anxiety and fear work to grip you, take time to work with the Herkimer Diamond. Now I'm self-conscious about it. To broaden your ability to release one perspective, allowing you to view the world as an endless cosmos. Know that there is a purity of wisdom hiding within each challenge. For more experienced work, Herkimer Diamond grids can be created to open doorways to a multitude of cosmic dimensions. As above, so below. As within, so without. Okay, the Divine Direction Magical Anointing Oil. This oil has been created with the pure intention of clearing away anxieties and stress, allowing you to broaden your capabilities to receive guidance and direction from the divine. As you cultivate your energy each day, allow this anointing oil to be your companion. Feel the overwhelming connection between you and your divine purpose. Connect with the higher vibrations of your work, knowing that your journey is filled with an unquenchable thirst for knowledge and wisdom. Know that among the darkest hours you are enlightened, allowing your intuition and connection with your guides to navigate the world ahead. We have enchanted this oil with sage, palo santo, rosemary, spearmint, and eucalyptus, as well as our mixture of our navigation magical oil from our personal cabinet of witchery. Along with sage and palo santo chips, we have included a Lumarian mini quartz said to teach oneness and used to clear all chakras. Use this oil to anoint your candles, jewelry, and skin. White Sage Ritual Incense Sticks. I love this smell. As you light the white sage incense included within this collection, allow the smoke to drift throughout your sacred space. As the smoke from this incense circulates your space and disperses any negative and unwanted energy, visualize a shimmering light begin to sparkle upon each surface. Pure Light Spell Candle. We have hand-rolled this spell candle with the intention of bringing light into your meditations and ritual work. As you allow the flame to dance, visualize all mental and physical chatter to slowly disappear until you have come to the here and now. Allow yourself to feel your connection with divine purpose. Girasol Quartz. To accompany you on your path, we have included a girasol quartz. This very powerful and unique stone was placed within this collection to act as your guide reawakener. Known for its ability to enhance your ability to visualize and reawaken passionate interests, the girasol quartz is a wonderful stone to keep close during times of dormant and stagnant growth. And then there's the Book of Shadows artwork. Very beautiful. And that's it. Very, very cool box. I love it. I read about this in my just recently on my Get Ready With Me for the new moon. In the prosperity section, this was recommended as one of the stones to work with. And I was thinking like that it was a real diamond, and I'm like, who can afford, if you can afford a diamond for a prosperity magic, you're probably doing all right. But they meant that. So that's pretty cool still. It looks really beautiful. So this is it. Super nice. I'm really pleased with it. I like the Book of Shadows artwork. You guys know that I love when people of color are included in artworks. I mean, it doesn't have to be every month, but it's really nice when it is, when it does happen, which is pretty often for this company. And everything smells good. Everything looks good. I'm pretty excited. So please like, comment, and subscribe. I guess I should be saying that at the beginning. I know more professional YouTube channels say, like, hit that button. I'm not gonna, I like to say like, comment, and subscribe at the end. So if you come with me this far, you're probably here to stay. Anyways, let me know what you think, and I will talk to you soon.